Hi everybody, and welcome to ParkRangerJohn.com. Today I am super excited to tell you where I'm at. I am at the Old Faithful Inn in Yellowstone National Park, one of the ideal architecture parks in the world. Great example of what the design is. It's got a lot of emphasis. Now I'm going to show you the room. The room is not going to be nearly as exciting. When they built these lodges 100 plus years ago, what you're going to see the true excitement is when you come up. I mean, when you drive up in this lodge, you come in right under the where the car is covered, where you come in, and here's Old Faithful standing right in front of you. You got the lodge that comes in. It's just amazing looking. You walk into the lobby and your jaw just drops. It's so amazing. That's where the real excitement is. The rooms are a place to stay. They're great for their age. I mean, these are not young rooms, so you got to give it a little grace. And so let's go ahead and take a look. This is a garden room, queen size, standard room.
We're in the garden level, which is actually kind of just the basement. First floor in a queen size room.
And the room is 1045 here. So let's go ahead and take a look.
Excuse
So when I
the
said
door.
it was a basic room, you don't have a TV or anything like that. I do love the soap that's got a bear shape to it, though. That's amazing.
So far, this is the only bear we've seen today, so we're going to hope it's good luck for the rest of the trip.
But at least you got a sink in your room. You do got a coffee maker. You got where you can get some ice. I like even the fact that, the glasses are used, old wine bottles that they have created glasses out of. This way they can recycle things.
And you can buy those in the gift store if you happen to want to take some home.
So you've got a small closet. We got our stuff shoved in there, so I'm going to show you. All that's in there is a fan and a blanket, and that was it. You got just a queen bed and a TV. And
There's no phone.
The one thing that I like, again, is kind of the old school, about the parks itself is this glass down here. And I don't know if you can look at it, but it looks like it's got waves in it. And it's called wavy glass. That was the way it was built back in the day. I mean, that's what glass looked like. You can't find that it's hard to find that anymore. And so much of it's been broken over years and years and years. You don't see a whole lot of it. So it's really cool to see some wavy glass.
There is a phone. Excuse me, I lied.
And then you got a bathroom right here. Nothing overly exciting, but again, this is a pretty standard room, but at least you got a bed.
Queen size.
And you're right in the geyser basin of Yellowstone National Park, which is amazing.
There's a walk-in shower here. Hopefully the fan is not crazy loud. You do have Yellowstone products here with shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. And then the signature Yellowstone toiletries. I kind of love this soap dish. Do you see the soap dish?
Did you see the tiles here? It's got the animals on it.
We have seen an elk so far, so we'll count that. And some bison. Excuse the spin. We sadly do not have a view of Old Faithful, but they have a really great countdown in the lobby that shows the next time Old Faithful is due to erupt, and it is literally out the front door and to the right. You can't get any closer. It's amazing.
All right, everybody. Well, thank you for tuning in to ParkRangerJohn.com. Make sure to check my website. We're going to have a full write-up on this place. We're going to have more photos. If we get a chance, we'll do a video too. There's a lot of people in the lobby right now. It's really busy. So anyway, look forward to seeing you on ParkRangerJohn.com. Have a nice day.
One bonus tip, don't come right at check-in. She just told me when we checked in, we're about 2.5 hours after the normal check-in, that there was more people in line than she had seen before, and it's September, so, don't rush. If you're out in the park having fun, don't rush to wait in line. Thanks for checking out ParkRangerJohn.com.